Curio Land, where science sparks wonder.
Once upon a time, there was a curious girl named Zara who loved learning about science and the world around her. One day, she found a mysterious time machine in her backyard that had a friendly robot named Tibo inside. Tibo was a small robot with a big, bright smile and wheels that whirred with excitement. "Hello, Zara! Would you like to explore your own body from the inside?" asked Tibo. Zara's eyes widened. "How can we do that?" she asked. "With this time machine, we can shrink and travel inside your body and learn how it works," Tibo replied. Zara was excited and agreed. Together, they shrank with a flash and began their magical journey inside Zara's body. First, they found themselves near Zara's heart. "This is your heart," explained Tibo. "It's like a strong pump that keeps blood flowing all over your body." Zara listened carefully. "The heart beats constantly, making sure that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of you," continued Tibo. Zara could hear the rhythmic thudding, just like a drum beating. Next, they rode along the bloodstream up to Zara's lungs. "These are your lungs," said Tibo. "Every time you breathe in, they fill with fresh air, and when you breathe out, they release air that your body no longer needs." Zara watched with wonder as the lungs expanded and contracted, like beautiful balloons filling with air. Their journey took them further to Zara's brain. "This is your brain," Tibo pointed out. "It helps you think, feel, and remember things. It's like the control room of your body."
Zara just shrank into her own body with the help of a time-traveling robot. She saw her heart, lungs, and brain like never before. Want to explore more amazing parts of your body? Hit subscribe and join the next ride inside Zara. See you at next video on Curio Land channel.